guys. It's been a while, over a year. I've drifted once since the Hell's World Tour over a year ago now. And a mate called me up the other day and said come out with his car, help him and drive this private day. And then I thought, I've got leftover tyres and fuel. I'm bringing my cars, so I've got my S13 behind me. Legend of a mate Dan's towing out my S14, so I'm gonna have both cars there. They've hired the whole entire track out at Mallala, and it just invite a certain amount of cars, and then you've pretty much got the whole track to yourselves. So I haven't done one of these probably since 2012 or 2013 when I first started drifting. They're so good. Pretty much just a few of you. You've got the whole track to do what you want. They open up the whole circuit, so I'm so keen just to get out with the boys and have some fun. Alright, let's do it. Sylvia was misfiring straight away this morning, and we just took the coil pack cover off, and then it stopped. So I don't know whether it was gathering too much heat in there, or. And then we took the S14 out, and that actually started misfiring. But this bloke always tells me to put fuel in the car, and I always say it's full, but it wasn't. So 2 easy fixes, and Dan's gonna go send the Sylvia. Yeah, boy. Dan on the skid pan, like he never left. Now we're on the main track, so. Keen to hear this thing out here. Haven't heard it out here from the outside. It's so good to be out here. It's been over probably nearly 3 years since I've been here. My Sylvia hasn't done laps here in probably 5 years.
Big Dan hasn't been here in probably. Oh, Spenny Marto. Dan hasn't been here in, I think he said 2.5. So good to see him thrashing. How good does that mid-mount sound? Fuck. I'm going out with Bradley. Quick run down of the car, what you got? 25 Neo.
RB 25 Neo, G30 660, fuel system, that kind of works. And
What is it, 350? 330?
330.
330 kilowatts, so should be rowdy. the best day drifting I've had in years. It was just, I got behind the wheel, Dan the legend got behind the wheel with the Sylvia, Kira stranded on the skid pad, got to take volunteers out, all me mates, just trains, unlimited tyres and fuel, as many laps as you wanted. It was just, both cars went all day perfect after the little misfire dramas in the morning. Both drove on the trailer, no fuel left, no tyres left, exactly how you want your day to be. I'm over the moon, I'm hooked again, Dan's hooked again, so we're gonna rev him up to get his car going and we'll be back in the new year.